Trash cans can get real nasty. Diapers, pet and food waste turns bins into stink pits that attract pests, flies and maggots. So we wash our bins. It's a disgusting job. Trash bags are tough, they easily hold heavy loads, but they don't fit our large bins. They do not fit the larger 96-gallon trash bin. The mid-sized 65-gallon garbage cart, or even the smaller 35-gallon trash can. BagEZ eliminates that problem. Place your BagEZ frame in the bin and rest the arms on the raised edges of your can. Step 2. Put your bag through and over the frame. Step 3. Simply press on your clips and you're done. It's that simple. Now when you throw your waste, everything yucky is confined to your bag and off your bin walls. Lift, drop, and shut. It's that easy. Lift, drop and shut, it's that simple. When your bag is full, pull off the clips, seal, and add a new bag. It can't get easier. Remove and store BagEZ before taking your bin to the curb. Durable, made for harsh outdoor use, and built to last. Fit and use any bag to contain your waste, maintain and keep your bins clean and fresh, without any painful work. BagEZ is versatile, and can be used just about anywhere, to make bagging trash easy. Making it the only bag holder you will ever need. BagEZ keeps your bins clean, effortlessly.